let's say 4 feet automatic clean line. This is heavy duty log debarker with motor 18.5 kilowatt, connected with gearbox. And you see the ruler, it is teeth ruler. Below it is with hydraulic support ruler. You see details. The pine, it is much bigger than others. Here is the point. The motor, it is 18.5 kilowatt with R97 gearbox. It is connected with universal. So the single ruler will not easy, the bearing will not easily break down. That is the point. Our factory, the support ruler is with the hydraulic. Other factories do not have this function. This is automatic line. You see the ruler conveyor. Then go to automatically edge cutting saw. The cutting saw, the point is that we use the bigger spindle, so the saw diameter can even reach to 1.5 meter. Whatever bigger saw, bigger log or small log, we can cut wheel. And also the motor, we are using Siemens. For the motor, this motor is 11 kilowatt. We are using Siemens motor. And also the gearbox. Check details. Then it is automatically conveyed to peeling machine. This peeling machine, it is high-speed peeling machine. All the motor, it is Beijing lead servo motor. It is lead servo motor and lead gearbox. The ruler, it is hardened. The control system we are using is also the currently most advanced Beijing lead system. This system is made by our factory itself. And also the knife holder, it is by hydraulic knife clamping. It's a hydraulic knife holder. And also the clipper, it is with servo motor. Then it is conveyed to auto stacker. This auto stacker, when it is stacking, is silent without noise, and also the speed is high. Even the speed can reach to 150 meters per minute. This is our control box. Let's turn around. Overview the line again. Then we turn back to log debarker. If you have any inquiry, just inquire us.